Hey traders, what to trade next week? In this video we'll discuss Bitcoin and gold. We will discuss the structure levels there, the key levels. We will execute the price action analysis, the top-down analysis, and I will give you predictions and trading recommendations for next week. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Alright traders, let's start with Bitcoin, and we are on the 3-day chart. On the 3-day chart, let's underline our previous all-time structure high. Here it goes. And what recently happened with the market? The market violated that all-time structure high to the upside. We got the bullish violation. For many days we were trading above this all-time structure high. We set a new all-time structure high right here, but then the price dropped. Reading the ideas and checking the ideas of different traders, many of them projected a strong bullish continuation to 100 grand level after this bullish breakout. But instead, so far, the market lost almost 20% of its value. And let's discuss what is next. We are on a daily chart, and on a daily chart, there was a very important bearish clue. You can see that if we analyze the price action, if we take that higher level and from that draw a trend line, you can see that we can spot this very peculiar trend line. And if we take our structure high right here and draw one more trend line, we can spot this so-called rising wedge pattern. And what we know about the rising wedge pattern? Rising wedge pattern is the reversal pattern. It signifies the weakness of bulls and highly probable coming correctional movement, yes, and our trigger is the bearish breakout of its support. Once the support of the wedge is broken, we expect a bearish continuation. And moreover, one more very important thing happened on a daily time frame. Here you can see we have a quite strong horizontal daily structure support. Yes, in the past it was quite strong resistance. Then after the breakout it turned into a very strong support, and we saw a very nice bounce from that. And you can see that technically speaking, bears violated the structure to the downside. We got the breakout bearish violation of that structure support. And now the question is, what is next? It looks like Bitcoin will keep falling. It looks like from a current perspective, the market can easily go lower. Hey traders, don't miss a Black Friday sale on my premium educational group. Until tomorrow, you can get a lifetime access to the group with a 40% discount. If you want to learn how to trade, if you want to learn technical analysis, if you want to see how I trade live, and if you want to ask me questions live, that will be the best place for you to be. There I will teach you my trading strategy. There I will teach you the top-down trading approach. It will be the best place for you to be, the best place for you to learn how to trade. Don't miss your chance. The offer expires tonight. The link in the description below, or text me in one of the social networks. The next structure, the next closest structure for you to watch is the structure based on that high. This structure looks very strong, and that is the first level where I will look for the confirmation to buy. Remember, by the way, traders, that even though we project a local bearish movement, we are still very bullish globally. And for now, we are just assessing this potential correctional movement. Yes, we are trying to find the levels where this retracement leg will be completed. Yes, so that structure is the first structure on focus. And in case if that structure support is violated, in case if we have so-called deep correction, then the market, of course, will go lower. And the next structure for you to watch will be that structure support right here. Yes, again, very strong structure cluster. It is the historical cluster, and the 40,000 level is a very psychological number. Yes, so these are the points for you to watch. I am very bullish on Bitcoin, and as you know, the entire summer I was buying Bitcoins around 30,000 level, and this time it looks like we are preparing for one more Black Friday sale on Bitcoin. So for that reason, be prepared for the correctional movement, and here are the key levels for you to watch. And now let's analyze gold. We are on a daily time frame, and here we may spot a very important thing. If we look left at structure, here on the left we may spot a very strong resistance cluster. You can see how many times in the past that resistance cluster was respected. And what happened recently? With the high momentum bullish candle, the price violated that resistance cluster to the upside because it's confirmed breakout. And for many days right now, the market is trading above that structure. Why it is important? Because the violation of that structure signifies a very strong bullish sentiment on gold. And because of that, we can make a prediction that the market will keep growing. Based on the mid-term perspective, we may expect right now a bullish continuation on gold. And for us, the next goal for buyers will be the next strong structure resistance. Where is our next strong structure resistance? Look left at structure. Here we have this important structure shelf. Yes, the area between 1900 and 1916. And we are predicting that the market will keep growing to that structure. But even though we can make a very bullish forecast on gold, it is not recommendable for us to buy gold right now. For us, it is not safe to buy it. Let's analyze the intraday perspective, and I will try to explain to you why it looks like the market is preparing for a pullback. We are on a 4-hour time frame, and on a 4-hour time frame, we will analyze the price action. Here is our strong bullish rally, our strong bullish impulse, and with this bullish impulse, the price violated our major daily structure cluster to the upside. Once we violated that, here we got our higher high. Then the price retraced. And we started to grow again. Yes, you can see that we have the sequence of the higher highs right here, the high lows, and you can see that definitely the market is growing. But at the same time, here, if we look for the patterns, we may find right here a very peculiar pattern. If we take the high lows, we may draw right here this rising trend line. And if we take the higher highs, we can draw one more trend line. You can see that here we spotted a rising parallel channel. And why this channel here indicates that the market is weakening. Look at this bullish impulse. Look how sharp it was. Yes, we had a very strong bullish rally, but then you can see that our growth started to slow down. Yes, even though we are bullish, we are not that strong as we initially were. It looks like the market here is overbought. So what is the plan for now? First of all, also during the last 2 days, the price here formed the low high. Yes, and as we know in a bullish market, low high formation is one more weakening clue. Yes, so with all that being said, for now, while the market is trading within the boundaries of the channel, of course, it remains bullish. Yes, while we are stuck within its support and its resistance, we are bullish. But everything changes once we see the breakout, the bearish violation of the support of the channel to the downside. And remember, by the way, we need the 4-hour candle close, strictly at least the 4-hour candle close to confirm the breakout. Yes, once we see the violation, then most likely the price will drop and we will expect a bearish rally to our daily structure cluster. Yes, the resistance cluster that was broken right now turned into support. And for us, it serves as the safest area from where we will buy gold. So your plan will be patient to wait for the breakout of this channel. If you're a scalper, you can even short the retest of the broken support of the channel and wait for the test of that blue area. Within this blue area, you will look for the confirmation to buy gold. You will look for the reversal pattern right here, the double bottom, the inverted head and shoulders, the flag formation, something that confirms that the market is reversing. And once you get your confirmation, you buy and you will expect a bullish rally all the way up to the resistance cluster that we spotted on a daily. that is your plan. Alright traders, let me know in the comment section what do you expect from gold and Bitcoin next week. Do you agree that gold is slowing down and it looks like we are preparing for the correctional movement there? And do you agree that Bitcoin will go lower? Let me know in the comment section. Also, don't miss your chance to join my premium educational group on a huge discount. It is Black Friday offer. It expires tomorrow and it is the last chance for you to get the access, the lifetime access with the 40% discount. For more info, check the link in the description below or text me in one of the social networks. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next week.